Hi everyone, I'm going to go through a physics exam question with you today, which is actually worth 6 marks, and I'm going to show you how easy this exam question is. I've not read out the question, but you can screenshot it in your own time. For this question, we are going to use two equations. Now, this first equation is going to be energy equals voltage times by the charge, which is represented by a Q, and then the next one is going to be the charge equals current times by the time. Okay, these are the two equations we're going to use, and I've numbered them as 1 and 2 because we use the first equation in step 1. So I will go through how to work out this calculation, show you how easy it is. So in the question, we have been given the energy as 1.4 joules. Okay, so remember the units for energy is always going to be in joules. And the voltage is going to be 200 volts, okay? So that's going to be 200, and we need to work out the charge, okay? So we're going to work out the charge. So what we need to do now, remember how I showed you this method before, we're going to divide both sides by 200. That's what we're going to do, divide both sides by 200 because we want to get the Q on its own. So we divide both sides by 200, cancel out the 200, and then we do 1.4 divided by 200, and then that is going to give us the charge, okay? And we are going to get the answer as 0.0070 coulombs, okay? That's obviously the unit for charge. Now, the next equation we are going to use is going to be Q equals IT. I is the current, T is the time. Okay, so we already have the charge from the previous calculation we just done. Okay, so we're going to put that value into the equation just to make it easy for you to understand. So what I'm going to write now is 0.007 equals current times by the time, and we need to obviously work out the current because that is what it's asking us in the exam question. And we have the time as standard form. I would recommend that you do convert that into a decimal. It'll just be very easy for you to do the calculation. So you just convert that into a decimal, which I'm going to write out now as 0.000028, and then let's proceed with the calculation. Okay, so now the same way as I have taught you before, we're going to divide both sides by 0.00028, and then we are going to cancel it out because we want to get the current on its own. Okay, so let's quickly do that. Oh, sorry, I didn't write it on the other side. So on the left-hand side, I'll have to write down 0.00028. And then, then we just work it out from here. And then the current is going to equal 25 amps. Okay, that is your answer. Now, there is another equation that you can use, but I'm not going to go through that now. But this is how simple it is to get 6 marks. Okay, and I hope you have found this video very useful. If you are interested in joining my masterclasses, please do email me to let me know. All right, thank you. Bye.